natutulog na yata si Vladimir. So yeah. Where's the blue guy? Weapon niya, kulay blue. Outfit niya, kulay blue. Radio niya, kulay blue. What about the gun? Kulay blue rin. Favorite color niya yata kulay blue. So guys, it's already 9:39 p.m. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this dance. Even the pati din yung spider. Parang akong bata nagano. Hindi ko mahanap yung isang lalaki, yung emote, yung nag-rage baiting ng tao sa MM2. His outfit is like color red. It can be color red, color blue, I follow him on his TikTok account. So yeah. And forget killer. Who was it? I heard some... Oh! Akala ko gun. Ano lang pala. Who got killed by the way? I think... nasa loob yung killer. I mean... Yeah. Yeah. Wait, can you even hear the... I was adjusting my microphone and system sound kasi I also forgot to put the system sound so you can hear the sound of the game and even my voice also. Who got killed, bro? Ay, isa lang namatay. What the hell? I heard someone gets Wait, did someone die? They're not even killing. The murder is not even killing. Ayun na. Oh, it's the pink one. Bro, I did this. What's the gun, by the way? The green girl? Why is the sheriff not even shooting? Bro, what's shooting? Wait, let me... Where is bro aiming at? Wait. Bro, they're not... Is bro targeting? Bro is only targeting the girl, not us. The sheriff is usually wasting the time, bro. He's not even killing me. What the hell? Bro. Are they actually teaming? Matching pa sila ng radio. Matching pa. Yeah, they're matching radio. Guys, tell me in the comment if they are really, really. Ano? Look at this, bro. Wait, what does my mom say? I'm a good girl. Is that true, man? So I don't have radio on my bag because you know tulog. Ay. Nhạc xưa nay lay tắt, phố thức cùng lên đường yêu cắt. Có chút vừa đi qua mi mắt, rồi thì ai đưa em về đêm nay. Giờ này còn trên phố, có mấy đôi thì cầm nhau rau, tiêu tiếc và chạy về đâu đâu. Rồi thì ai đưa em về đêm nay. Tim em đau rồi, chân em đã rồi, đúng cô đã rồi. Em vào hôn mình đã một đêm, sẽ xa em còn ai đưa em về đêm. I love this emote so much. But while I was 1v1 in my private server with Vladimir, I always do this in his head while he was changing his avatar like this. In my Tinyverse avatar, this one. So yeah. And this is my favorite gun. Yung parang snowball na yung laman. I want to hide first. I want to change my So guys, if you're this is not the real MM2, this is the MMV. So yeah. Kasi bawal, pwede naman mag-trade pero bawal bawal kang magbigay ng knife or gun. Parang. Where's the body at? Like this is sleeping with gun, by the way. Am I lagging? Posible murderer. Asha is bro again. Uy. Help me, Bridget. Walang galang. Wala nang isa. Boom! Joke. Bro, I can't reach it. Mot-mot. Joke lang.
Wala tayong aircon.
Pero, joke lang guys yun ha. Uy, wala, ano?
Bakit hindi tayo naka-aircon?
Wala pa dun yung bucket eh.
Ha?
Yung bucket,
Andun na nakalagay na doon.
wala na yung kanyang matching. Replace tayo. Does the hardwood match with my icon? What about Nebula? No. What about Sakura? No.
Wala na ba yan? Dito sa gilid.
Ay! Uy. I can fix it. I can.
Lord. Thank you so much for the day. Alam mo ba itong hinihilot ko itong balakang ko pag bago ako matulog? Isang beses ko iiyak mo naman. Samantalang mo 5 beses, 4 na beses.
Hehe. Uy.
Paano makakatulog si nanay dyan? Sinakot mo na lang.
Kasi, mais ka na.
Tignan mo yung ano mo. Ah,
Lucky.
Lari ko mga anak. Ang aircon. Hindi ba tayo ng aircon? Sa labas.
di ba nanay mamaya? Ang lamig masyado pagka pagkabunin mo.
Lari, kumuha ka ng alas ng sa takas. Yung legit. Yung dyan. Kumuha ka ng kumuha ka ng isa. Pang ano
Saan?
dito. Yan.
Yung dantay ko importante.
Ha?
Dantay ko importante.
Dalawa sa akin. Nauna.
Hindi naman ito nakakantay.
Hintay ako.
Dito. Ito nanay yung mangyayari oh. Pag tayo mo, ang tuka rito. Ganun.
Iisod mo. Hindi ba alisin natin yan? Pag ano sa
The person I say is the murderer, so this is the murderer. Trust my instinct.
Kasi susutin niya yun eh. Yung isa,
Ay,
Hindi lang susuti. Ang lapit-lapit ng arenola niya.
sana tama
Ito
ako.
ba? Susuot ka pagka malayong arenola.
Oh, it's the big guy. So, the murderer is the... Hitbox ba yun, guys?
Visit.
Okay, guys. Bye-bye na.